Hello everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So for another project that I'm working on, I had to make one of these, and this is a wooden frame. And it wasn't until I got to the end of that project I realised that it was super out of whack, it wasn't straight, it wasn't square, and it just ruined the whole thing. It was really wobbly. So I had to remake it, which was definitely a pain, but when I did this, I come across a really nice tip to clamp these down to keep it all nice, flat, square and straight. So, let's take a look at how you do that. Okay, so it's going to be really easy to square up this frame, and what I've got right here is a nice flat piece of board, and the reason why I'm using this is because I think the table is slightly out of line, but that doesn't matter. I've got myself a sheet of plastic so the glue doesn't stick to the actual board itself, and here are my pieces. So, let's glue them together. Our frame's ready to be put together. I've put some glue on it, so the first thing that we have to do is take our first piece and clamp it down. This first piece is clamped down, and this is going to give us a solid base to square everything up. So we can now take our second piece with the glue on it, line it up, take our square, and make sure that's nice and square. And then we do the same thing with 3 and 4. And there we go, the frame's been clamped together. I made sure every corner was nice and square, so we're just going to leave that to dry. There we go, my frame had plenty of time to dry. I've taken the clamps off, and here comes the moment of truth. Wowzers, look how perfect that is. Okay, so that worked really well. I'm really glad that I actually come across this little tip, because I'm actually really bad at getting frames together and keeping it nice and square. So doing something like that, well, it helped me out massively. But with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later.